Do you struggle to stay organized and forget important daily tasks? Just now you need to do subscribe our channel and watch the complete video without skipping. Just come to Google Play Store and search here TickTick TickTick and just find out this application to-do list and calendar. TickTick is a powerful task management and to-do list application designed to help you manage your time more effectively. With TickTick, you can create daily tasks, weekly plans, and long-term goals all in one place. You can set deadlines, reminders, and priority levels for each task, which helps you focus on what matters most for you. The app also allows you to organize tasks into different lists such as work, study, and personal life. TickTick app, TickTick tool is especially useful for students, professionals, and freelancers who want better productivity and time control. So I hope the short video is helpful and the short video has helped you. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.